Hey everyone, Jill Goo here, and today in this video I want to give you a little tip about being organized with your time. This is called time blocking, and I don't know about you guys, but I work from home, and in my schedule, what I used to do was just kind of free for all, like whatever I got up and whatever happened, and I would just start getting things done, but there was mail, and then there was these emails, and then it was checking this, and it was getting this done, and it was creating that. And it was all over the place, and I felt scattered all of the time until I started doing time blocking. And so what this is putting a chunk of time. Let's maybe just say it's a 2-hour time block, but that 2 hours is specifically set up to do one thing. That's it. So you're not multitasking, because when we multitask, it pulls us away and it pulls us out of focus, and it becomes a bit frenetic energy and can really pull us into a lot of different directions. So when you time block, you're actually giving your time and attention to one thing so you can really focus in on it and then get it done. Now, if you've never time blocked before, I'd say give it a try, take a baby step into it, and maybe just put a couple time blocks on your calendar here and there and see how it goes. But I have noticed for me, it has made a huge difference. And I always joke with my friends and family and my clients, I'm like, if it's not on my calendar, it doesn't exist. So if something didn't get put on the calendar, like it doesn't exist in my world, like it has to be on my calendar. So I noticed that I have to be accountable for my time and really divvy out my time according to what's most important. What do I need to get done today? What is the most important thing that I need to focus on? So I'll even time block like an hour for checking my emails, 2 hours to work on this creative project. You know, you can do little time blocks throughout your day, and trust me, it actually helps. And I feel more focused, less scattered, and I feel like I'm getting a lot more done. So I hope this is helpful for you. Give it a try. Time block. It can really give you a sense of taking back your time and having more control of your day. And it feels really good to get stuff done too. So I hope this was helpful. Hey, if you want to work with me more, check out my website. I have different offerings. It's jillgoo.com. Have a great week, everybody. Bye for now.